Hi Airbrush fans, this is Roger from the Airbrush Step-by-Step magazine. Since a few days there's a new Airbrush Step-by-Step issue 65. This time with the theme horror and fantasy, fitting to the upcoming Halloween, so it will be spooky. Here's a quick overview of the current contents. Of course, the latest news from the scene, and here are the winners of the Sparmax contest. Congratulations for all artists. Info about the event in Cancun, the science fiction portrait Janet. You see a lot of steps, and the cover motive Gerald of Rivia tutorial. John Seaton gives a detailed insight into his process. A mummy motive for beginners. The Captured Woman how-to article. Also in this issue, the interview with Kevin Wood. And another interview with Jesse Madeira, also in fitting with the horror issue. Finally, the Reader's Gallery, so ASBS 65, now available in selected stores from us in the webshop or directly on the Airbrush Step-by-Step app. Don't miss the new Airbrush Step-by-Step, it will be spooky!